What's up, Dope Chaser? My name is Jason White, CEO and founder of Witness Riches. And today we're going to be talking about why now is the time for you to fix your credit. So times are crazy right now. A lot of businesses are just not in a good standing right now due to the fact that only essential companies can operate. And if they don't have the means of working from home, they're basically not able to produce a revenue for their company. So when the pandemic slows down and everything goes back to normal and the economy opens up again, for those of you who are entrepreneurs, business owners, it's going to take two things for you to really hit the ground running so that you can open up your business and begin to provide value to your customers. This is big for consumers as well. It's going to take liquidity, cash, money, dough. It's going to take that one, or credit. What these times have shown is a lot of business owners, a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of consumers don't have the liquid cash available to even survive. If you are someone who is looking to survive in this time or looking to make moves in the future, the second thing that's going to be critical to your success is your credit. One thing that I've noticed through the news and reading is mortgage companies, lenders, and to be specific, are beginning to get more strict in how they determine whether or not you are worthy of a line of credit with their company. And a lot of these companies are beginning to raise their credit worthiness standards in order for you to get approved. So if you are someone who is looking to hit the ground running and get your business going again and you don't have liquid cash, you're going to need your credit. If you are someone who is looking to hit the ground running and begin to focus on your goals again, like buying a house, buying a car, you're going to need credit. And a lot of you are unprepared because your credit is not the best. So when you are looking to make moves in the future, you're going to find it very hard for you to get approved because your credit score is not the best. They're not going to trust you. So they're going to want you to prove on paper that you are a trusted human being. And if you can't prove that, then you won't get approved for whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish. So right now is the time for you to focus on improving your credit. So when you are looking to make those moves, like get your business going again or looking to accomplish a goal, you don't want any questions asked about your credit worthiness because you want your credit score to be on the high end. So what you need to do is you need to watch my YouTube videos, for one, to learn how to fix your credit, or two, you should hire my company to help you fix your credit score. We offer a done-for-you credit repair service where we work on your behalf to help you fight negatives that are hurting your credit and also teach you credit building strategies to help you build your credit as well. I do own this credit repair company. If you are interested in working with us, please visit our website, the 700clubcreditrepair.com, or click the link associated to this video in the comment area or the description of this video. Learn more about our credit repair service because you're going to find out that credit is very important and you shouldn't delay any longer to get your credit fixed. And I just want to make sure that I do my best to share information with you that's going to get you off your ass, one, motivate you to do something, and share tools or information that's going to allow you to have the power to make it happen. So what you can do is you can start watching our YouTube videos, learn the information, implement it on your own, fix your credit, or you can hire my company to help you do it for you. And within 3 to 6 months, minimum, our clients average a 100-point credit score increase with each credit bureau as long as they don't allow any more negatives with their credit report. If you are someone who wants to begin to work on fixing your credit and you want to work with an honest company that has integrity and also looking out for our clients' best interests, I totally recommend that you give us a shot. Go to the 700clubcreditrepair.com. I totally back my company. And at the end of the day, I just want to share information with you that's going to help you transcend financially. So thank you for your time. Hopefully you understand how important it is to fix your credit. If you don't hire me, hire somebody else. I don't care. Just make sure you get your credit in order so that you are not delayed progress when it comes to reaching your goals, starting your business, or just being prepared for whatever life may bring your way. Again, my name is Jason White. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next episode of Dope Chaser TV. I'm out.